Today we're having a look into core tech industry in South Africa. This is mainly technological space, a very good sector to have a look at. In fact, one of my favorite sectors. Now, South Africa is an implementer economy in terms of technology space. They are usually implement softwares and systems from US, either Microsoft or AWS. Now, the total revenue for the tech space was 95 billion US dollars. This does not include companies like Naspers. This focus only on distribution, IT services, software licensing, consulting, and data analysis, and also cybersecurity. Total operating profit was about 7 billion rands for the whole industry. Total valuation is 150 billion. This is a very much growing industry, and this only include listed companies. There are a lot of unlisted small firms that are not included. So if you include them, it can be way more than this. So now we are going to have a list of the best companies that operate in this space. We're going to start with DataTech, that have got return on equity of 20%, operating margin of 5%. The company's revenue is 64 billion rands, and the market cap for DataTech is 7.3 billion. This company operates in more than 50 countries across the globe. Bytes return on equity 74%, operating margin is 30%, revenue is 5 billion, market cap is 16.7 billion, right? Really solid numbers. Also operating SA and Europe, core licensing of software. That's what this business do. Very good return on equity. Atron, return on equity is 12%. Operating margin is 18%. The company's revenue is 9.7%, and the market cap is 8 billion. Followed by EOH with code ICO now, with a return on equity of 39%, operating margin of 8%, revenue 5.5 billion, market cap of 2.8 billion. This company is only recovered. It's doing well now. I'm actually betting that this company will do good after a lot of scandals. ISA Holdings focus on cybersecurity. Return on equity is 48%. Operating margin is 21%. Revenue is 140 million. Market cap is 404 million. Right? Foresight, return on equity is 19.6%. Operating margin is 6%. Revenue was 1 billion. And total valuation was 350 million. Mastech, return on equity is 5.6%. Operating margin is 2%. Revenue was 7.18 billion. Total evaluation was 834 million. BPT Group, return on equity was 39.84%. Operating margin of 13%. 1.4 billion revenue and 654 million total evaluation. So as you can see, tech companies have a very high return on equity, very high profit margins. The best ones being Bytes, right? We have got ISA Holdings on cybersecurity. We have got DataTech as well. These are the outstanding ones, and Atron as well. These are the outstanding ones on this list. But go and have a look at this list and tell me which one do you think is the best and which one do you invest in. Type on the comment section. Thank you.